We're going to do the highest class 5 rated waterfall in the world for commercial rafting, so should be fun.
Greg?
So when we went whitewater rafting, we jumped from right there on that side. River guide said that this one would be much more fun. It's about double the height. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Excited?
Oh, I'm pumped. Let's do this.
You guys excited for us?
Yeah.